Hey, I just wanted to shoot a quick video. Figure sometimes things you take for granted, you think everybody knows how to do, but maybe they don't. So, um, anyhow, so let's see. In this case, I got a screw here, and it's broke off, and the head's missing on the other side. I think somebody probably used a drywall screw or something, because they break off easy. And I want to get that out. So anyhow, I wasn't sure if I was recording, sorry about that. So, you got a broken drywall screw. You want to get it out. The other side's gone. So what you can do is you can just take a pair of vice grips and grab the screw there. And then just finish taking it out. Actually, this was looks like it was a nicer screw. Surprised it broke off in there. But anyhow, so that's how you can get one out. It's a handy tip. Anyways, hope this video helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching.